Hello everyone, congratulations on making it to our video lecture here, and in this video lecture I wanted to go over the course syllabus and the goals of this course. That way you know how this course is kind of laid out, what to expect moving forward, that way you're not wasting your time, and you can really get some awesome stuff out of this course. So what are the goals and what are we trying to do here? First off, I'm going to show you 3 specific marketing strategies that have worked extremely well for me when building my own brand, my own name, and creating online video courses. So if you're an online video course creator, great. Even if you're not an online video course creator, you can really get some awesome marketing strategies and really benefit from listening to these online marketing strategies because they can work for not only creating online video courses, but for almost anything really. The second thing that we're going to be discussing is the proof, and I'm going to show you proof that these actually work. I think it's really important to not only talk the talk, but to actually walk the walk a little bit. And yeah, so I'm going to show you exactly how that works. And then we're going to go into a summary, a conclusion, and then I have a very special bonus video for you as well. I always believe in giving more and doing more than is expected. And that's how you gain trust and get people to hopefully really enjoy your work. So that's what we're going for. But my main goal and the main thing I really want you to get out of this is just to have fun and to really enjoy the marketing strategies and to actually learn something. I think it's important to not only just go through and watch these videos and, just, oh, these are some great marketing videos, blah, 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 but to actually learn something and then get out there and to use them. Okay, so the goal is to use this course. Learn, create, do, and use. So let's get right into these strategies. I will see you in our next lecture. Stay tuned.